How to install an open protected ridge system. An open protected ridge system is designed to maximise the ventilation going into and out of the structure using the stack effect. The stack effect is a naturally occurring method which helps ventilate buildings by sucking the warm dense air out through the ridgeline. When creating an open protected ridge system, you will require 3 key components: 2 upstands, a weatherboard, and metal straps. Place the first ridge upstand onto the first slope of the roof. From the bottom of the ridge upstand, the fixing position should be 100mm up from the bottom of the upstand and into the centre of the support purlins and into the same corrugation as the fixings on the fibre cement sheet. Once the first upstand has been fixed into place, you can then fix the second upstand onto the opposite slope. Continue to fix this the same way as you have fixed the first upstand. Now the ridge upstands have been fixed in place, the metal straps will now need to be installed. These should be installed with a decline of 5 degrees minimum and will need to be manufactured according to the apex gap and the pitch of the roof. Continue to fix the metal straps along the entire ridge length of the upstands at a maximum of 750mm fixing centres. Pre-drill the fixing positions on the weatherboard and place on top of the metal straps. Centrally fix 2 fixings into each metal strap which the weatherboard spans across. The purpose of the weatherboard is to help prevent birds, rainfall and other natural elements from entering the structure. Here is a diagram showing an open protected ridge system. An open unprotected ridge system has the same concept as the open protected ridge system. However, with this, the weatherboard is removed, therefore creating a higher volume of airflow out of your structure. Please do not hesitate to contact our technical department if you require further assistance.